Welcome back to my channel. The topic of our today's video is lupus disease. Lupus is a disease that occurs when your body's immune system attacks your tissues and organs. It is an autoimmune disease. Inflammation caused by lupus can affect many different body systems, including your joints, skin, kidney, blood cells, brain, heart, and lungs. Lupus can be difficult to diagnose. The most distinctive sign of lupus is a facial rash that resembles the wings of a butterfly unfolding across both cheeks. Occurs in many, but not in all cases of lupus. Some people are born with tendency toward developing lupus, which may be triggered by infections, certain drugs, or even sunlight. While there is no cure for lupus, treatment can help control the symptoms. Symptoms of lupus. The three most common symptoms of lupus are joint pain, skin rash, which may become noticeable after being out in the sun, extreme tiredness known as fatigue. Some people with lupus will only have these symptoms, though they can still have a big impact on daily life. Other general symptoms are ulcers in the mouth or nose, hair loss, fever, weight loss, swelling of the lymph glands in the neck, armpit or groin or under the chin, depression and anxiety. Lupus can affect many different parts of the body, and when internal organs such as the heart, lungs, brain or kidney are involved, it can be much more serious. It is important to have regular checkups. Now I will discuss about the causes of lupus. As an autoimmune disease, lupus occurs when your immune system attacks the healthy tissues in your body. Lupus likely results from combination of your genetics and your environment. People with an inherited predisposition for lupus may develop the disease when they come in contact with something in the environment that can trigger lupus. The exact cause of lupus is unknown. Some potential triggers include sunlight. Exposure to the sun may bring on lupus skin lesions or trigger an internal response in susceptible people. Infections. Having an infection can irritate the lupus. Medications. Lupus can be triggered by certain types of blood pressure medications, anti-seizure medications, and antibiotics. People who have drug-induced lupus usually get better when they stop taking the medication. Rarely, symptoms may persist even after the drug is stopped. There are several different types of lupus. Systematic lupus erythenatosus is the most common. Other types of lupus include cutaneous lupus erythematosus. Cutaneous lupus erythematosus. This type of lupus affects the skin. Cutaneous is a term meaning skin. Individuals with cutaneous lupus erythematosus may experience skin issues like sensitivity to the sun or rash. Hair loss can also be a symptom of this condition. Drug-induced lupus. These cases of lupus are caused by certain medications. People with drug-induced lupus may have many of the same symptoms of systematic lupus erythematosus, but it is usually temporary. Often, this type of lupus goes away once you stop medications that is causing it. Neonatal lupus. It is a rare type of lupus. Neonatal lupus is a condition found in infants at birth. Children born with neonatal lupus have antibodies that were passed to them from their mother, who either had lupus at the time of the pregnancy or may have conditions later in life. Not every baby born to mother with lupus will have the disease. There are several treatments and home remedy options that may be helpful for the treatment or management of lupus. Lupus treatment helps to reduce inflammation to protect organs from the damage and prevent flare-up. Each person is different, and their treatment plan may vary depending on the type of lupus, the extent of inflammation, and the condition of their organs. Common treatments for lupus include hydroxychloroquine. This is an antimalarial drug that treats rashes and arthritis symptoms in the lupus. Corticosteroids and immunosuppressants. These can include high-dose corticosteroids such as prednisone and medications that suppress the immune system, such as mycophenolate and methotrexate. This treatment aims to target a specific part of the immune system to control inflammation. Belimb, this is a biological agent approved by Food and Drug Administration. A doctor may prescribe medications to treat complications that commonly arise in people with lupus, such as medications for seizures, antibiotics for infections, and vitamin D to help improve kidney functions. Apart from medicines, there are certain lifestyle measures that can help in both preventing and managing lupus. Regular exercise, eating healthy food, quitting smoking, etc. are the common steps that can help you tackle the conditions in more effective way. Some home remedies can help you live well with lupus. Turmeric. Turmeric contains an active ingredient known as curcumin. It helps in treating autoimmune disease like lupus effectively. This spice also has anti-inflammatory properties that help improve symptoms like joint pain and rashes etc. You can use it in your daily food. You can also add turmeric in milk. Make sure the milk you are consuming is hot. Additionally, you can add honey in the milk to enhance the taste. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help it in reducing pain and swelling in the joints. Ginger is considered as an effective ingredient for various diseases and conditions, including lupus. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help it in reducing and swelling in joint. You can add ginger in your diet in various ways. One way is to add ginger in your tea. You can also add ginger juice to fruits and vegetables. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can potentially increase the production of hydrochloric acid in your body. Doctors believe that lupus patients suffer from deficiency of hydrochloric acid, which can be added to your body by using apple cider vinegar. It can potentially increase the production of hydrochloric acid in your body. It also helps in detoxification and improves absorption of nutrient in the body. To use apple cider vinegar for this purpose, you can add a teaspoon of this liquid to a glass of warm water. Coconut oil. Coconut oil can be effective in improving digestion and controlling cholesterol. It can be effective in improving digestion and controlling cholesterol and blood sugar. You can use coconut oil for cooking. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is useful in removing toxic materials from the body and reducing inflammation and joint pain. One of the most common symptoms of lupus is fatigue, which can be treated with the help of Epsom salt bath. This salt is known to improve absorption of magnesium in the body. Also, it is useful in removing toxic materials from the body and reducing inflammation and joint pain. Holy basil. Holy basil can relieve fatigue and improve organ function. Stress is one of the main triggers behind the lupus flare-up. In order to control your body's response to stress, you can use basil. It is a herb which is jam-packed with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any health related question or query, you can ask in the comment section below. Goodbye.